Yeah, now for me is 2 o'clock p.m.
Okay, here is the morning time 11 o'clock. So you are from Philippines?
I'm from China.
China. Okay, I think there is not much differences about the time zone, right? Like there is the 2 p.m. It's 2 hour
Yeah.
difference between
So
India and between China.
pretty,
Yes,
pretty.
it's Preeti.
So. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm just replying some message. Okay, now.
Okay.
Okay. So if you don't mind, I have some question.
Yes, ask.
It's a little bit, but the question is maybe a little bit boring if you don't want to reply. So, do you think life is meaning something? I mean, living is a valuable thing.
Life is
I
living.
mean,
You are asking
I
about the life, right? Life is
yeah.
okay. I think life is that like you are getting new things. If you want to do anything, so that is called life. Like there is a struggle in everyone life. We can't say like life is easy. Life have some positive and some negative thoughts.
Yeah, for me, recently, I think life is no meaning. And you mean I mean my now my mind is negative. It's not positive.
So
It's
why is you are in
is
negative? Some
I'm
reason behind
I
of
just
that.
don't I'm just not interested in everything. You know, I don't know why. I think yes, I know. Our life is short. It's short, and dying is our final destination.
Right.
Why if like if our life is short, why we don't make it valuable and meaningful, right?
Right.
Yeah, but I just don't know how to do.
So, ma'am,
For
first
me,
I just want to know like what do you do for your living? So I will tell you.
uh, before I worked in a trading company, and I can speak English just because my job. I exporting products to abroad, and
Okay.
I built my own company, my private company, but it failed. It failed because of the bad economics situation in the world. My business was affected seriously, so I closed my company, and now I just stay home to think how to do for next step. So I'm a little bit.
So that is why you are thinking like life is not good and life is the last destination
Yeah,
of
yes,
the
because
died.
I thought I already tried my best, and I
But ma'am,
worked
everything.
hard to.
Yeah, I think
Sorry.
everyone happened that life in their life. We can't say like you are in not good mood because you have closed your business, so that's why it's happened. But when you start up your business again, when
Yeah,
you yes, when you start your business
yeah.
again, mm-hmm. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Hmm. Yeah. Just I'm just not happy because I thought I already tried my best and I worked hard every day. And this thing, The I it's not because I I didn't know work hard, and these things just happen. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm in bad mood. Sorry. Hope I didn't
Everyone
affect
having
you.
everyone having a that kind of situation. I am also having a that kind of situation, so that's why I created my YouTube channel. So I will be like become a YouTuber. If not done, if that work is not done, so I will start from other thing, because we have to try things. Like if you are not trying, so how will you get succeed?
Yeah. So I think maybe the time can resolve the
Time is
problem for
not
me.
always
I
same.
just
Time
need
is also
you.
change. Time is not always same. It will be change.
Uh-huh.
Moreover, the time. Like we have to wait for the time. Like sometimes we are getting happy, too much happy. We are not happy sometimes. So we can't say life is not good. Life is sometimes it's good, sometimes bad. But we have to enjoy our life, whatever the situation is going around us. Do you have a kids?
Thank you. Appreciate.
Do you
Okay.
have kids?
Um,
Do you have
Sorry.
kids? Do you
Kids?
have kids? Kids.
No. I'm a single person. I
That's
don't have
nice. So you have to
kids.
find a
Yes.
companion person. You have to find the companion person so you can share to each other all the things. So like you will be make happy. They will make happy to you.